Hey everyone, it's Tommy from Tech Nexus, and thanks for joining me for today's video, the last for this week. A few years ago, I did a series of tutorials on Dynamo and Advanced Steel just for doing just some basic modeling. And today we're going to load up Dynamo in preparation for next week to see if those scripts still work in the 2020 version and see if there's been any updates and anything extra that we can have a look at. So if you're watching it now, getting ready for next week, all we need to do is load up Advanced Steel 2020, and under the ribbon at the last one here where it says add-ins, there should be a Dynamo for Advanced Steel button there. If there isn't, check your Autodesk account or the application manager in the taskbar for any updates to Advanced Steel. But once you've got it installed, click on the Dynamo for Advanced Steel button, and then we should be getting a new window for Dynamo itself. Okay, so this might be familiar for people using Dynamo. Under Advanced Steel, we've got these samples here, but for now we're just going to see what is new under the Advanced Steel node. It'll appear as one of the top entries up here, so Advanced Steel. So beams, from memory, I would say it looks like, I think they've updated the beams here. I don't know if the compound beams were around a couple of years ago, but it'll be good to see, to have a play with. So by start and end point, beam by start and end point, straight beam or tapered. So we've got those 4 beams there, which might be of use to us. The plates, so just by creating a plate by the polygons. And utilities, so create a section string, set the section, set the material. So I guess if you wanted to do it programmatically, and then even setting the user attributes. So again, this might be of some help to us. I could have sworn that I read somewhere that someone had noticed that there were connections in there, but it doesn't look like it is. And even if we do a search for connections, there's nothing in there as well. So again, it doesn't look like it's expanded too much in the last few years since I did that last video, but we've got some new tools and toys to play with in here. So in preparation for next week, I'm going to step you through setting up the basics for it. So we might do something, again, just repeat the warehouse or kind of big shed kind of structure. But then I also did a bridge as well with some curved features on it. So we might have a play around with a couple of those next week. So if you want to follow through next week, make sure that you have 2020 Advanced Steel loaded. Make sure you have Dynamo for Advanced Steel loaded, and then for next week we'll step through building some of these projects and then see what we can make or even break. So thanks for watching, have a good weekend, and I'll see you all next week for some Dynamo and Advanced Steel videos.